There's something really lovely about seeing somebody walking down the street with a Wolff cup and appreciating their cup of coffee, and seeing that others are doing what we love and do and sharing in our joy of our business.
I think being in the coffee industry for the last 35 years, if I think back, there's many milestones and many memorable occasions. Yeah, that first trip to Origin, that first time you sit around a table and you're sharing a meal with a producer in their farm or hacienda is really something very, very unique.
When you run an organisation, you have to be very clear on why are you doing this. And for me, it's about giving back to the community, making a difference in people's lives. At a farmer level, we work very hard with our farmers to ensure that neighbouring schools where farms are, we actually provide resources to. That can look like a water tank or school resources for the children.
One of the things that I've always valued greatly is the relationship with our producers. And I think that connection between working with someone who works the land and understands sort of what their philosophies were in terms of the preparation of the coffee, and then how we as roasters can sort of translate that into the cup and sharing that story, but also having our customers having their palate experience extended as a result, I think is something that's really exciting, and that is a really big motivator and a big source of personal sort of satisfaction, and having that chain of connection I think is amazing.
We are a business that is creating a culture of coffee professionals that's very important to us. We're all about ensuring that people that come to us, we want to build an awesome career for them where they feel that they're in a really rewarding role and making a difference. The term leader within specialty coffee is very all-encompassing of distributed leadership, so we're working very hard that everyone within our business is a leader.
It really makes me proud is when we see people come into our business and we work with them and we see their business grow and flourish and thrive, and this just really fills me with so much happiness and pride, because not only are we impacting their lives by having their business grow, but also the people within their cafe, because they're in a position now to sort of employ more people. So this is truly just an amazing kind of gift to be given. It's something I value very, very deeply.
To say that we're world class is really something to strive for, because it's a vision for our people within our business to go, hey, what we're doing is really making an impact. So how lucky are we that we're here, we're in it, we're living and breathing it.
I would like to think through the course of my professional career, I've made an impact on many people's lives, not only through working with them or employing them, but also through the Wolff College of Coffee and training and education, sort of the future really of our industry in coffee roasters, not only here within Australia but also globally. And I'm still in contact today with past students who write to me for advice.
It's, I suppose, something you don't think of when you first set out being a coffee roaster, what it will look like down the track, but then when you're actually in it and you're seeing it and believing it, it's pretty powerful.
We talk about this 2,000 hours to make one cup of coffee. There's 2,000 labour hours that goes into making one cup of coffee, and it's a staggering amount of human intervention. And I think that we at Wolff focus really hard on that, our responsibilities of quality. And so it's really, quality is this torch, and we're a custodian on one step along the way.